Hello there, investors. So today we'll be talking about Alaro City. Some clients reach out to me that they want to inspect Alaro City. So now I want to explain how you can inspect this property in Alaro City. We have procedure. If you want to inspect, you have to give notification that you want to inspect. You show interest that you are inspecting. Then I will send booking form to you. You fill it and send back with your means of identification and passport photograph, right? In that form, you'll have filled the date, the time that you are coming for inspection. We have 3 clusters in Alaro City. We have residential cluster, we have commercial cluster, and we have industrial cluster where we have light factory. So if you are planning to buy a 2-bedroom apartment in Alaro City, this is the very best time for you to do that. And we have an 18-month payment plan for you. And likewise, if you are buying commercial parts of it, if you are buying industrial cluster, so we have it and we have a payment plan for that as well. So if you are buying any property in Alaro City, automatically you are not going to pay any tax. And if you are importing anything from abroad, what you are importing is coming directly to Alaro City. We have some company currently running their business in Alaro City. We have Boa Group, we have Sana Group, we have HMD, we have TY Logistics, we have Mantra Caterpillar, among others. We have schools. So if you have school and you are planning to have a branch in Alaro City, this is the best time for you to buy into our commercial plots. And if you have a company, maybe you are into light product like maybe you are producing soap and some other things like that, you can also buy into our industrial cluster where we have light factory. But if you want to buy apartments, we also have apartments. We have 2-bedroom apartments and 1-bedroom apartment. This is the best time for you to key into our project in Alaro City. I remain your number one trusted leasing consultant in Lagos City. Ibrahim is my name. See you in the next video.